Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have for you the winter FabFitFun box. Do you want to know what's inside and what choices I chose? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my winter FabFitFun box just arrived, and I always get so excited when this box comes because you always get really cool products, and it's always way over the value of what you pay. This is normally $49 per season. You can follow my link down below in the description box, and then at checkout you can use the code SantaBaby to save $10 off your first box, which that would make it only $39.99 with free shipping. That is a steal with everything that comes in this box. So if you're interested, follow the link, use SantaBaby, and you can get one for $39. Okay, let me just go ahead and say I'm loving the design artwork on this box. Like, this is just so wintry. It has all the blues that I absolutely love. This is just an amazing box in how they design it. Every season they have such cute boxes. Ooh, and when you open it up, it's all pink inside. That's different. Okay, so they always give you a really big magazine with a gorgeous person right on top, and that is who's on this cover. And it goes over all of the items in here and all of that good stuff. So let me go to the page. Ooh, I see recipes in here. Maybe because the holidays coming up, they threw in a few. Ooh, yeah, there's some recipes going on. All right, so let me get to our selections here. Okay, so then let me go ahead and cut the tape on the tissue paper. Okay, so for the very first option, you could have chose a goat milk moisturizing cream at a value of $65, which I honestly don't need another cream. Then you could have done a faux fur blanket valued at $65, and I do not need another blanket. Or you could have did the television perfect hair shampoo plus conditioner valued at $64, and that is what I chose. For $64, I would have thought these would have been bigger bottles. So this better be some good shit up in here. But here is the perfect hair conditioner and then the perfect hair shampoo. And I'm definitely going to throw these in my shower when I'm done filming, because tonight this is what I want to use, because $64 for these two little guys. Let me see what this smells like. This better smell amazing. I don't even smell anything. Are you serious? Very, very light. Very, very subtle scent. Hopefully it smells good like in my hair. But there is the smallest bottles that I've ever seen for $64. But again, I didn't need a blanket, and I do not need any more face creams. I have so many of them. So I felt like shampoo and conditioner was the best match for me. Okay, I do smell something in the shampoo. That does smell pretty good. But normally the conditioner is what smells more like stronger, but there you go. So there's item number one, the shampoo and the conditioner. Or you could have chose a candle, which everyone's putting candles in boxes lately, and I didn't need to pick another candle. So again, they don't always put shampoo and conditioner, so that was the best fit for me. And if you would have chose the candle was valued at $48. And holy moly, there's another choice. You could have got the beanie and arm warmer set valued at $70, and it looks like that little beanie. And so there's all those different choices you could have chose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 6 different choices for that one first item. So then for item number 2, you could have chose a eyelash conditioner for $69.95. I don't know why I didn't choose that one, honestly. Maybe I didn't pay attention to that one as much. You could have chose a slippers for $45. You could have chose a cleansing clay mask for $48. Or you could have chose what I did, which is a Bluetooth shower speaker. And I really, if I'm not taking a shower after 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning when my man's asleep, if I take a shower at a reasonable time, which doesn't happen often, I do like to bring my speaker in there and listen to music because I just like to. So I thought this was the perfect thing because then I could put a speaker in my shower and then I won't have to keep bringing my speaker in there and maybe get it messed up with the steam. This is designed for a shower. So here's the product right there. And I don't know, I'm sure there's probably going to be, oh yeah. So it does charge by USB and it suction cups to the wall. You have the USB charger that is covered right there that you would just pull off so you can charge it. So I'll charge this and then put it in the shower. And then the front of it is very cute. It has little flowers on it. And then there is the controls. Oh my gosh, you can even answer the phone while you're up in there in the shower. Dink, hello. I'm sorry. I don't take phones when I'm in the shower. I'll just ignore it. Is there an ignore button? I'm in the shower, call later button? Like, really? So there's that. And this one is valued at $30. Yes, it was the cheapest value, but I felt like this is the best one for me to choose because I would actually use this. Hopefully it sounds good. Okay, so for option number 3, you could have chose a circle bracelet in rose gold valued at $39. You could have chose a Monroe 3D silk lashes and glue kit, which are false lashes, and I don't wear those. That's valued at $32. You could have got a soft focus glow drops valued at $55, and I don't really use like highlighting glowy dewy drops situation. So I chose the all face and eye mask set. Even though I have a lot of masks, this is valued at $42. So I felt like maybe these masks will be good. So in here, it's a set for your face and your eyes. So this is the one that I did choose. So here are all of the masks that are inside. So it looks like we have a clarifying face mask. We have a brightening face mask, an antioxidant face mask, age-defying face mask, hydrating face mask, exfoliating face mask, and then one renewal eye mask. For being a face and eye mask, they only put in one eye mask, which is fine, but I'm like, you would think it would be a little bit more of like both, but no problem. Okay, so there is that. Now, those are the first 3 items that any member would have been able to choose from. Now, me being an annual member, I get to choose the next 2 items. So going on the 4th item, you could have got a organic balm, oily, deep moisturizes, hydrates, and brightens. It's like a melt. That's $28. You could have got a Sidekick you could have got a crossbody bag for $17.99. Or you could have got a 12-month rose floral planner. And what I chose is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' palette, valued at $38, and that's right here. So here is the outside packaging. How cute. It looks like little vanilla wafers, and this is really cute packaging. What if it smells like it? Let me see. Let me see. I just smell like glue, like packaging. I don't smell anything good, but here are the colors. I think that's very pretty for like an everyday look plus a fall look, that kind of thing. So this is the palette that I chose because between those options, I just feel like I would get the most probably use out of a palette. And these are pretty much my go-to colors to wear. So I'm really excited to try this one out. So there's the palette. Then the next item that select members would have been able to choose from would have been from a Ahava salt bag valued at $16, a Body Original coffee scrub valued at $16.95, or what I chose is the Mona Color Swatch Solo, $16.99 value. And that's this guy right here. And basically this is so you can switch your colors of your eyeshadows without having to clean your brush. So this is a little kit to where, not a kit, it's a little thing you just swipe it inside. I'll show you, let me open it up. So on here it says directions, glide makeup brush against the color swatch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleanser is needed. Color switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water, lay flat to dry. So it has a lid. So if you want to keep it just in the tin nice and closed while you're not using it, that's how it will look. And then when you open it up, it's like this little like mesh sponge. So when you have your brush and you dip into one color, you can just whoop-de-woo it through here and then go in with another color. It's supposed to take the color out and then you just wash this, dry it, and reuse it. So I thought this would be the best thing for me because I wear eyeshadow every single day. So I felt like this was the best item for me. Okay, so now would be the 6th item. Now this one was a variation between 2 different options, and FabFitFun would choose which one they would send you. So you could have got a incredible nail thirsty hand mask duo, or a calm clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. And what did I get? The body wash. I got the Calm Plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. And it says yoga on there. So here's a body wash, which I'm glad because I use body washes every single day in the shower. So I'm glad they chose this one for me. What was the other one? A mask. A hand mask, which I really wouldn't need that. So I'm so glad they chose this one for me. Then the 7th and the 8th item everybody gets. There's no change, there's no variation, there's no picking, there's no choosing, there's no nothing. So the first item would be, oh, and I'm sorry, this is valued at $39.95, and then the hand mask, if they chose that one for me, which they didn't, would have been $16. So that's a bit of a difference for that item, but I got the $39.95. Then this item everybody gets is a Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is from Dry Bar, so this is for your hair. It's to prep your hair, I guess, when you blow dry it, because I see a blow dryer hanging upside down right there, and it's supposed to help detangle. I don't blow dry my hair. I normally go to bed with my hair wet, but I don't know if I'll keep this or put this in a future giveaway. I'm not quite sure yet, but that is valued at $23. And then the last item in here is I'm so glad to get is the makeup eraser. Now, I did tell you guys the last time I got one of these how well I love this, and I use this thing every single day. And this is the only thing that takes my makeup off. And I love this. This is valued at $20, and this is a good size one, and it is all pink. There's the size. Now I do have 2 of these currently, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I probably might put this in a giveaway or something, because these are supposed to last up to 5 years. And if I have 2 of them right now, I don't really need a 3rd one, but I'm not sure. You might see this in a future giveaway. There you go. So that is everything that came in my FabFitFun box, you guys. So again, I paid $49.95, and you get all of this stuff that is in here, and one of these is definitely valued over that. And if you want to sign up, again, follow that link and use Santa Baby and get $10 off. That is an amazing steal. That is an amazing deal. And especially if some of these items in here, they're not quite for you, you can use them as Christmas gifts coming up, because Christmas is right around the corner, pretty much knocking on our door. I'm already done. I have almost everything wrapped and shipped out. I have a few more things to wrap for like family that are here, but everything's already bought, paid for. I was started early this year, so I'm so glad. But again, this is an amazing deal. So going over real quick, I got the makeup remover. I love that thing. I got an eyeshadow palette. There's a detangler, like ready, set, prep your hair for below drying action. I have the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I have the color swatch thing, which I really love that. We have the mask and one eye mask set. And then this handy dandy shower speaker. This is an amazing box. Like, I'm really pleased with this winter box. Is it a winter theme? I don't see a winter theme, but I'm kind of glad. There was other ones, like if you wanted to choose the blanket, the slippers, the beanie, and the hand warmers, you could have had a winter box, but I don't need a winter box, so I'm so glad that they have the different options that you can choose from. And me being an annual member, I get to choose those 2 other ones, so it kind of helps me customize my box to items that I would like or that I would like better than others. So I love this box. So you guys comment down below, did you get this box? Did you get different variations? Did you get the same things? Are we seasonal box twins? Let me know down below. And if you're interested, follow that link. Use Santa Baby and get that $10 off and get your first box for only $39.99. Amazing, free shipping, amazing deal. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I did just record the mega mystery bundle from my add-on. So if you want to see what came in that bundle, then look out for that video. I'm not sure which one I'm going to post first, but both of them will be soon coming. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful day. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.